After the closing bell, United Continental, the airline, fresh off the back of that PR disaster last week when the passenger was yanked off the flight because the airline needed more space for crew members. Well, United Continental earnings have just come out for their latest quarter. Now, of course, these numbers couldn't possibly be affected by what happened last week because they were being calculated when it happened. But what about the guidance going forward? We'll get to that in just a second. United Continental earnings per share, 41 cents versus an estimate of 38, so that's a beat. Revenue, 8.42 billion versus an estimate of 8.38, so that beats Wall Street. Passenger revenue flat for this quarter. That's a red flag. However, the growth going forward, they reckon, will be 1.2%. And Oscar Munoz, who is the CEO of the airline, said that we need to do much better when it comes to customer care. He talked about what happened last week as being a humbling experience for everybody at the airline, a watershed moment, he said, leading some people to wonder if he's going to concentrate now on customer care and passenger service at the expense of the bottom line. We'll have to see. Now, between now and last Friday, when this all happened on that flight out of Chicago, the airline share price came down by around 2%. Today, ahead of these numbers, they were up by 2.4%, and now in after-hours trading, they are ahead by 1%. So it looks as if the share worries as a result of the passenger being yanked have at least gone away for the time being.